the paint. Do it of paint and we're on that on.
Hello guys, we're gonna paint. Yeah.
How do we relate?
We're going to paint our very own version of
How
Van.
Can you draw a shark, mommy?
Oh, I will draw a shark.
Yes. Okay, later Renate. I was in paint. Okay. Come do Renate. Let's go.
I will draw a shark. Let's draw this one.
Maybe the shark should be gray.
Should be gray, yeah.
Yeah. Say, this shark said, ah! Look that. Say, baby, the shark said, baby shark, baby shark, the baby shark, the baby shark, the baby shark, the shark.
Now I draw the outline.
Draw the outline.
Let us show this one. Oops, you cannot see. Okay. Now we.
Okay, now we're still left. Ready?
Now we're
go
gonna paint
to
it.
Let's draw.
Now we're gonna paint it.
Huh?
I will just fast forward this one when we paint. We're gonna fast forward it, okay? good job, Queenzel.
Good job.
Good job to us.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. What do you say? Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
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 Subscribe. Like.
Like.
Share.
Share.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kiss. Thank you. Mwah.